Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a good service that you received. Please.
Well, I really enjoy to eat delicious dishes from different hotels, and I often go with my husband and family to enjoy the different food from there. Last week, I go with my husband and two kids at PC Hotel. That was the birthday of my son, and we ordered Chinese food. They served us very well mannered, and the crockery was very delicate and beautiful. And they serve a beautiful cake in shape of Spider-Man. My son really happy to see it, and they give us a beautiful teddy bear and some balloons as a gift of it for him. I really enjoyed their food and environment. The environment was very peaceful and airy. That was a good experience for me at PC Hotel as well.
All right, this is good. You spoke for 1 minute and 3 seconds, which is good. Well, what you're doing, you're actually mixing past and present. The topic is describe a good service you received, past tense. But you said last week I go to. It should have been last week I went to. Then you said they give us. It should
Gave
be
us.
they gave us. Then you said my son really happy. It should have been my son was really
really
happy.
happy.
And then you said I enjoy a lot.
Enjoy.
I enjoyed a lot. Okay, so past
sir.
tense. You should
Yes,
focus
sir.
tenses. And then compound sentences. Now we
Yes,
move on. Speaking part 3. What do you think of the relationship between companies and consumers?
It depends on your selling and buying products. Um, uh, uh, it's depend on
All right, so you should have some content knowledge for part 3. For example, what do you think of the relationship between companies and consumers? I think companies and consumers should have family type relationship because companies run on the basis of consumers. And if companies are not consumer oriented, they cannot get business from their customers. So I think they should launch some schemes and some initiatives for their consumers to attract their attention and to gain business like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there should be some ideas for part 3. Part 3 is advanced English. So
Yes.
there you need to come up with more ideas. Okay, thank you.